Good morning, guys. So you may remember a little while back somebody's balcony was getting refinished, and we just got a notice yesterday that they're gonna do the same with ours today. So I'm at home waiting for the guys to show up, and as you can see, all of our stuff is in from the balcony. Even had to bring in our little barbecue pit. And yeah, I'm just gonna get some editing done while waiting for them to show up, and definitely get some coffee. So I said I was gonna do my ballot the other night. I fell asleep. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my ballot now and send it off. I wanna make sure it gets there in time. Saying hi. Miss you, girl.
Miss you too.
She's up in Brea. She's in Brea. She's an hour and a half away.
Brea, Orange County.
Oh. Now I'm gonna go see another friend of mine, Christy, and see her and her little baby girl, and we'll see how they're doing these days. Be nice to touch base and see them, hang out, have dinner with them. Hey. Hello.
Oh my gosh, I love your hair.
Oh, thank you.
I'll see you later.
All right, love you.
Love you too. Nice to see you again.
You too, and I'll see you. Yeah, it was really nice. You guys can't see it very well. You can't tell what it is. It's the strap for the camera. And I'm so tired. I'm playing like a cat with the strap. Let me pull it back out of the way. So it's been a good day, guys. I haven't really gone out and done a whole lot today. Still a lot of things are shut down in San Diego. But it was really good to catch up with some friends and see how they're doing right now. Some of the restaurants are opening back up, so it was really nice to actually go and sit down inside. It's just really nice, especially because they have air conditioning inside. And like peel this sticker off. Yeah. Reminder, people. Go out and vote. Even if you disagree with somebody on what you're gonna do in your vote matters. You might not feel like it, but every vote matters in some way. So anyway, I voted. I'm very proud of myself for making it a point to go out and do so. I do in the elections where when I was younger I didn't care as much. I didn't make it a point. I learned all our history, but I didn't make it a point. But now I do, and I'm very pleased. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Have a blessed night.